What do you know? We're back. First of all, how are you? Good? I hope you'd say good. Today we are looking at 8 car mods we should absolutely leave in the past. These just don't look good anymore. They don't work. Stop doing them. But at the same time, don't listen to me. Do whatever you want. It's your car. If it makes you happy, I want you to put all 8 of these mods on your car by the end of this video. But anyway, let's jump right in. Here's 8 car mods we should absolutely leave in the past. Number 1 is the random tow hook. Now, what do I mean by this? It's if you have a tow hook on the front of your car or on the back and you're just driving to Walmart or you're going through the McDonald's drive-thru, you don't need to get pulled out of anywhere. You're not racing that car's not racing you. Why is that tow hook on there? I'm gonna be honest with you guys, I was this guy. I was the random tow hook guy, and not only that, I was the random tow hook front windshield banner along the bottom of the windshield kind of guy. It's a special breed, I know. Pretty crazy. I grew out of it. If I'm driving and I'm stopped at a light and I look over and I see Gertrude there with her Volkswagen Beetle that's got a little red nose on it because it's Christmas, and she looks over and she sees my tow hook, you already know we're going at it. There's no reason to have this tow hook on there ever. You're not racing the car, stop it. Number 1, the random tow hook. Jumping into number 2, and this one I think we can all agree that we should leave in 2020, 2021, 22, whatever this started, I don't even know, to be honest. But hopefully this video helps end it, and that is the broken heart stickers. I myself drive a BMW, and so my car group doesn't really have this issue. We come with a variety of our own, so don't even worry. But this is a big problem in the JDM group, it seems. I'm looking at you, Miata drivers. You wouldn't give her your vape, she cheated on you. Now you got the stickers. I get it, we've all been there. But it's time to move on. Broken heart stickers don't look good. The only cars I think I've ever seen these on are Miatas, BRZs, and the occasional Honda Civic, and that's it. What's going on over there, guys? You all right? It's gonna be okay. Get out of here, broken hearts. Next, we are moving to a whole different car group with this one, and that is the muscle car group that really suffers from this, and the occasional like Infiniti G37 driver, I think. And that is rear vented windows. I think every Challenger and every Mustang driver at one point or another has considered doing this mod, and they had to look at themselves in the mirror and say, it's either this or the 3 claw marks going down my front left headlight, and they went with one or the other. The muscle cars are going through enough as it is, models getting canceled left and right. We have no room to make it worse for you guys. We've got to stop doing the vented windows, you know what I mean? Maybe put it on the front instead, switch it up, who knows, maybe it'll look better. But that is one we also need to leave in the past. Now I gotta say this one because I feel like this is included in every worst car mods list, and that is just big ass rear wings that do not match the rest of the body of the car. For me, I'm okay with if you have a huge wing, but you better have a wide body or a Rocket Bunny body kit on there so that it matches the rest of the car. But if you're driving a stock Toyota 86 and I see you have a giant wing on there big enough that you could fit the entire family for movie night, turkey dinner, and Christmas gift unwrappings after, it's not gonna work. Stop it with the big wings. And I'm also gonna add on to this part, not even just big wings, but just any kind of wing or ducktail spoiler or anything like that that does not match the rest of the car, because there's definitely some out there that do not look good. Stop it. Look, I think any mod for any car is fair game. If you make it look good, it's cool. I think if it works, you know, I think any of these mods can work with the right build. Unfortunately, you got the Flintstones car out here with a better build than most of the cars that we've seen using these mods. Plus, you already got bigger problems without the wing. Now you gotta figure out how you're gonna scrape off the broken heart stickers from the back window of your car. Focus on the priorities. Up next, and this is a very clear one, I think we can all agree on this, and that is slap on hood scoops, roof scoops, or taped on vents. Where's the air going? Where's that air going? If you can buy a car mod at Home Depot, you probably shouldn't buy it. These things are ridiculous, and some people get super creative with where they put these. They're not even going on the hood anymore. They're not even going on the roof or on the side vents. We're putting these things on the back of my phone for some added horsepower. And that's just the way it is. Let's leave those in the past along with everything else on this list. And I think we can all move forward as a car species together. Next, I think most will agree, some may not, but chrome wraps, stop. It's time to stop. These don't look good. They don't look good in video games. They don't look good in movies. They don't look good in real life. They don't look good in photos. They don't look good. Don't do this. I think this is one of those mods that just screams, I don't have good taste in cars or car modification. In my opinion, I'm not a fan of the chrome wraps. I was also gonna add matte wraps onto this list, but I think the occasional rare car really works with a matte wrap. Chrome, on the other hand, you can put this on the nicest Porsche, Ferrari, Lambo you've ever seen, or you can put it on your grandma's shit beige Toyota Corolla. It's gonna look awful either way. Don't do it, keep it in the past. That's it. Number 7, second last on our list, is a muffler delete. These don't sound good. If you've heard any fart can exhaust Honda Civic driving down the road where you can hear it before you see it, and you think, what is that dead animal that's running at me down the street that I can't see? It's probably a muffler deleted car with slower acceleration than my Razor scooter. Just invest in exhaust, invest in a better muffler if you're gonna replace it, but don't just take it out. It's just gonna sound loud, obnoxious, and give you absolutely zero performance boost. Nobody thinks it sounds good. Nobody you're driving down the street talking to thinks this sounds good. Get yourself a nice exhaust, grow up, and let's move forward together. And finally, we have a great one that I think is actually starting to pick up in popularity, which concerns me a little bit, but that is yellow headlights. All of a sudden, everything I see when I'm driving is yellow. Everybody looking at you, all they see is yellow. You know what nobody says? Oh, the front of that car is really yellow. It's shining really yellow. That's awesome. It works occasionally, I will give you that. On the rare occasions this looks good on a car. Not on ours. This is not gonna look good on our cars, guys. Let's leave this in the past, along with the tow hooks and the broken heart stickers and the big wings, the chrome wraps, everything. And let's move towards what really matters, which is putting eyelashes, reindeer antlers on our car at festive times during the year. If you do this, you're my hero. You're one of the bravest people I know. You might also be 75 years old. And you know what? Congrats and kudos to you for expressing yourself. You might be the coolest person I know. I have a lot of respect for people with eyelashes on their cars. I think it's endearing, I think it's cute, and I want to try your cooking because you probably make the best cookies. And that's it, guys. 8 car mods that we hopefully can leave in the past. Let me know what you think, and at the end of the day, build something you're gonna like. That's all that matters. Don't listen to me, don't listen to anybody. Build your car the way you want. Your opinion is the one that should matter the most to you. I hope you guys enjoyed. Leave a comment, let me know what you thought. Make sure you leave a like, it helps me a lot. And if you like this and you want to see more videos, as well as the main topic of my channel, which is building my 2006 BMW M5 E60, no, it does not have the tow hook on anymore, I took it off, then consider leaving a sub. It helps me a lot and I appreciate every single one of you. Also be sure to check out my car culture merch brand, apparelbyenemy.com. We just released a bunch of new stuff. We have a new M5 E60, Nissan Silvia, and Honda NSX tee and hoodie that's just released. Go check it out. You're gonna find something you like. Link is in my bio down below. Thank you guys, and as always, I will catch you in the next video. My name's Chris. See ya.